In the previous video, we discussed about the settings, general settings. Now we are going for the writing settings. So first one is the default post category is uncategorized. For example, here I creating the new post. At that time, the default category is uncategorized. So, if you are publishing that post, but the default category is uncategorized, so that is saved on the uncategorized. So, till now I am not created any categories, creating the one category. Training category, and parent is none, so add new category. So training is added. Now refresh that page one time and use the training is your post category. Default post format is the standard format. Don't change anything here. To post to WordPress, post via email. What is the use of this one is, if you are traveling at the time, you want to post something into your WordPress site. At the time, you configure your mail server, login name and password, and simply you can forward, you can mail or publish the pages. To post to WordPress by email, you must set up the secret email account with POP3 access. Any mail received at this address will be posted, so it's a good idea to keep this address very secret. Here are the 3 random strings you should be use. Okay. Update services. WordPress is not verifying any update services because of your site visibility settings. Now, I am clicking here. I am going for the reading option. So after that, front page displays your latest post in the writing settings, a static page. I selected the static page, about us, and the post page is sample page. And blog pages show at most 10 posts. If you are opening that, if you are putting the, first observe this one. Go for the front view and clicking on the post. So by default about us page is opening. In the previous if you are not putting anything here at the time, blog page show is 10 post. Syndication page show the most recent, and for each article in feed show the full text. Don't change anything here. And search engine visibility. This is the very important thing in our WordPress site. Search engine visibility. Discourage the search engines from indexing this site. What is it means that search engines does not allow your site. Our site does not allow the search engines. So uncheck this one. So if you are unchecking, Google and Bing search engines are indexed there. Index our pages. So save the changes. After that, go for the writing setting. Now it was enabled. When you publish a new post, what is the use of update services is, when you publish a new post, WordPress automatically notify the following site update services. For more about this, see the update services and the codex, separate the multiple service you are in the breaks. So now go for the update services. Here they provide us some common thing services tools list. Okay, select all these things and copy into the notepad. After that, go for the alternative. An alternative is a feed shark ping post. WordPress comprised ping list or ping list. So this is for the manual submission. So select these list also and paste it in the notepad. After that, remove the duplicate lines or duplicate addresses. Remove duplicate lines, 6 lines are removed. Now paste this text into here, and after that go for the save changes. This is the very popular trick to get the lot of visitors to your website. After that, we have the discussion. What is the meaning of discussion is default article setting. So I will explain in the next video.